In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce coupon that applies to a specific product category in WordPress. We'll go through the full process inside your WordPress dashboard, from creating the coupon to testing it in your cart so you can make sure the discount works exactly the way you want. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store settings, products, and promotions. Once you're in, go to Marketing and then select Coupons. This section is where WooCommerce lets you create and manage discount codes for your customers. Next, create a new coupon. You'll be taken to the coupon setup screen where you can enter the code customers will use at checkout. Make it something simple and easy to remember if you plan to share it in emails, ads, or on your website. After that, choose the discount type and enter the discount amount. Depending on your promotion, you might use a percentage discount or a fixed cart or product discount. Be careful when choosing this setting because it determines how the coupon will be applied. Then enter the amount you want to offer, making sure it matches your promotion. Now open the usage restriction section. This is the key part if you want the coupon to work only for a certain category of products. In this area, select the WooCommerce product category that should receive the discount. This tells WooCommerce to limit the coupon so it only applies when items from that category are in the cart. You can also add any minimum spend or excluded product rules here. For example, if you want customers to spend a certain amount before using the coupon, you can set that up. If there are specific products that should never receive the discount, you can exclude them as well. These settings help you fine-tune how the promotion behaves. If needed, configure usage limits. This is useful if you want to control how many times the coupon can be used overall, or how many times an individual customer can use it. It's a good way to prevent overuse and keep your campaign under control. Once everything looks correct, publish the coupon. At that point, the code is live and ready to use. Finally, add a product from the selected category to the cart and test the code. This step is important because it confirms that your category restriction and discount settings are working properly. If the coupon applies as expected, then your setup is complete and your promotion is ready to go.